Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the SSD type and the MAC ports. This avoids buying the wrong adapter. Once done, back up any data from your Mac. This prevents accidental loss. Next, prepare the cable or adapter, and if it's an internal drive, the appropriate screwdriver. Then power off the Mac fully before opening a case or mounting the external enclosure. Make sure you have disk utility ready. You'll need it soon to format or verify the drive for Mac OS use. You physically install the SSD into the enclosure or internal slot, ensuring connectors are fully seated and screws are snug. Once mounted, connect to the Mac and power on. Open System Information to confirm the bus shows the device, then launch Disk Utility to see the drive. If it appears but is uninitialized, you'll format it in the next step. If it does not show up, swap ports or adapters. Once you confirm visibility, you're ready to format and partition with apps. You now format the drive. In Disk Utility, select the physical disk, click Erase, choose apps for modern Mac OS or Mac OS Extended for older versions, and use GUID partition map. Name the volume and confirm. Once formatted, run first aid to verify the file system and repair any issues. If you want this SSD as a boot disk, go to System Settings Startup Disk or use Recovery to install Mac OS. If Disk Utility fails, use terminal commands like diskutal list and diskutal erase disk to force format and diagnose problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.